This Monday is the only English language debate that Justin Trudeau will participate in this election, but his hand-picked debate commission has banned our Rebel News reporters and other conservative media from even attending the debate. Our journalists, Cian Bexty and David Menzies, each applied. I personally wrote to the gatekeepers myself weeks ago, but only today, right before the weekend, and the debate itself is on Monday, did they have the courtesy to even write back, and they flatly refused us permission. Permission? It's a free country. That's all the permission we need. We don't need special permission to cover the only debate the Prime Minister deigns to participate in English. It's our right. Understand what I mean here. We're not applying to be one of the debate moderators who were selected by Trudeau's hand-picked debate commission precisely because of their history of being soft on Trudeau. They're all left-leaning advocates, including the CBC's Rosemary Barton, seen here taking a selfie with Trudeau, and Althea Raj, seen here taking a selfie with Trudeau, and Chantal Hébert, who was the Trudeau scholar at the Trudeau Foundation. And now all these Trudeau advocates are going to grill Trudeau. Yeah, sure. Now, we know we'd never be allowed to actually ask Trudeau a question in the debate. We might ask something tough, but this ban means we won't even be allowed in the building at all. We won't even be allowed in the big holding room with hundreds of other reporters. We're banned, not by a political party, by the government itself. That's illegal. And the excuse they gave? Well, you can see the one-line explanation offered by the government press gallery. It is our view that your organization is actively involved in advocacy. Well, hang on, what does that mean? That we have a point of view, but so do all the journalists on that panel. Cian and David do real reporting every day, and like I've told you before, these same gatekeepers personally approved journalists from Xinhua, the Chinese Communist Party's propaganda organ. They'll let anyone in unless you're a conservative. And the arrogance of them telling us we're advocates, they're unifor journalists and members of other journalism unions who have literally set up partisan campaign groups, super PACs, registered with election candidate to campaign in support of Justin Trudeau. Oh, and they haven't done this just to us. They've done this to Andrew Lawton, also the young journalist from True North. They're keeping out anyone who leans conservative. So both True North and Rebel News have decided to seek an emergency court injunction on Monday morning to stop Trudeau's hand-picked debates commission from keeping us out of the building. We're going to court. I spoke at length with our lawyers today. They're going to work all weekend to get ready. The emergency application is on Monday in federal court in Toronto. You're welcome to attend. I'll be there personally, as will more of our team. I'd appreciate the moral support, but I actually need your help. In order to get this law firm to go on an emergency basis to work all weekend, I had to send them a retainer of $10,000. I know that sounds high, but it's 2 lawyers and their staff all weekend, and it's a big application on Monday. That's how much these things cost. Remember, the government has unlimited lawyers on their side, paid for by your tax dollars. This really is David versus Goliath. Please go to letusreport.com. Help me raise the $10,000. This is about freedom of the press. It's about making the election campaign more fair, more democratic, more meaningful. And it's about Justin Trudeau's bizarre war on journalists that he seems to be getting away with during this campaign, and that no one else is stopping him. Well, we're going to stop him on Monday. Please visit letusreport.com. Thanks. We've been banned from the only English language leaders debate. It's illegal. We're going to court on Monday with an emergency injunction to let us in. Please help me come up with the money for the injunction. I need to raise $10,000 now. Please go to letusreport.com. Thanks.